Hi, I'm Brad Hammond here with Schneider Electric for our day of action. We're at the Whale Rock Preserve down in Narragansett, repairing some bog bridges with the Nature Conservancy. We had a great group come out. We replaced a number of boards. We built some new sections. We beat the weather, so Mother Nature smiled on us and no rain. We just had a great day, got a lot of great work done, and as always, you know, Schneider kind of giving back to the community, and we love working with the Nature Conservancy and the other vendors and the other groups that we work with. The Whale Rock Preserve is actually a beautiful, I think it's a half-mile stretch from start to finish out to Narragansett Bay, so it provides the public a beautiful path through some great nature, and the bridges we build allow the access. I don't know them all, but there's orioles and warblers and all kinds of toads and salamanders and things that live in the area. So the Nature Conservancy does a great job in preserving these areas, making them available for the public, and providing some beautiful access down to our shoreline with the Whale Rock Preserve.